When I make chicken like this, there's nothing left. Let's start this recipe by cutting 2 chicken breasts, this way I'm doing. You will love this recipe. I'll transfer the chicken to a bowl. Add 3 eggs, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Let's mix it up nicely. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Mandy Bone from the United States. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Next, I will add half a cup of wheat flour and mix. I have no doubt that you will enter your routine. Let's add parsley to taste, 100 grams of mozzarella, and also a teaspoon of fried garlic. Using a few ingredients present in everyday life, we can make a recipe much tastier than those sold in conventional restaurants. Is a delight. Now let's put some olive oil in a pan. I'll spread it with a brush. Using a spoon, we will put small portions of the mixture we prepared inside the pan. Tell me how you like to use chicken and eggs in your home. I would love to know your recipes. When I do it in my house, there is never anything left, because it is impossible to eat just a little. It became one of my favorites since the first time I tried it. It's so easy and fast that I do it myself almost every week at home. Then we cover the pan and cook for 10 minutes. With the help of a spatula, I will turn to fry evenly on both sides. I have no doubt that you will come back here to thank me for teaching you how to make this amazing chicken recipe. Even your friends will ask you to teach them how. When you get to this point, we can remove it from the pot. Teach that friend of yours that loves chicken, I'm sure he'll love it. And our recipe was already ready. Look what delight was. A great option to do on days that you do not have much time to cook. It's very easy, practical, and fast. There's no reason not to try it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.